Toi Munai, good morning. Welcome to the which video. I can tell how many video I did already, but welcome to this teaching. Today we will be learning what is written. I hope everyone can see what is written. Let me just adjust a little bit to our video. So I hope you see what's written. So we're learning Fungula Mulango, which is open the door. Kufungula means to open. Kufungula means to open. So kufungula. In Kiluba, it means to open. You understand? Mm-hmm. To open. So, Fungula Mulango means open the door. If I say, hey, Fungula Mulango means open the door. Can you say Fungula?
Fungula.
Mulango.
Mulango.
Exactly. Fungula Mulango means open the door. And then so, Fungula means open. Mulango means door. Then look over here. Funga. That's the pronunciation. Funga Mulango. Funga Mulango means close the door. Funga means close. Mulango means the door. Funga Mulango means close the door. Fungula Mulango means open the door. Easy? Mm-hmm. Can we say Fungula Mulango? Let's go.
Fungula Mulango. Open the door.
Open the door.
Funga Mulango. Close the door.
Easy. So we'll stop there. I want to make it very easy so that we can learn at least one sentence, one thing at a time. Today we just we only emphasized on the door. Open means fungula, close means funga. Open means fungula, close means funga. Kanwa, we learned about kanwa before. I don't know if you guys still remember. Kanwa means mouth, the mouth. Kanwa. So if I say open your mouth means fungula kanwa. Well, to be more specific, say your mouth means kobe kanwa. Kobe means your. Fungula, open your mouth. Fungula kanwa kobe. Something like that. Close your mouth. Funga kanwa kobe. Or, well, we'll go there with time. I want to just stay at the level of the Mulango. So we retain Mulango, which is the door. We retain Fungula, means open. We retain Funga, means close. So I think that's where we'll stop today. I think we did a good job, and I believe all of you down there, you also learned something. So little by little, we'll go forward, and I believe you know more. Did you retain that?
Yeah.
Are you going to be able to tell somebody what Fungula means in Kiluba?
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you very much. So we'll see you again next time, very soon. I guess I don't have a specific schedule, but I'll be doing it the more frequent I can. All right. God bless you. See you soon.